going on, guys? Today is Sunday, and good news is that I will be uploading a video today. So you know what that means? That means I caught one. I've been on a pretty bad skunk streak as of recently. We're here at Puddingstone Lake right now, but I haven't caught a fish in a couple weeks now. I missed a few. I probably done about over, I'd say maybe like 30 hours, 40 hours of filming without catching nothing on film. So that was pretty difficult. But so we're out here at Puddingstone Lake today, and I'm throwing a new bait caster that my girlfriend got me. It's a Lew's Speed Spool left-handed grip bait caster. Throwing a Jackall Lipless Crankbait right there. But I'm throwing this setup, and I caught my first bass in a couple weeks on film, so that's a good thing. Just doing a yo-yo retrieval. I felt the bite at first, and then I knew I was going to catch it as soon as I targeted that bass over along that cove right there. But I'm gonna show you a little short clip of a post catch. I caught a 3.5 pounder about 3 weeks ago on the next to the docks, next to a lifeguard dock on the opposite side of this lake, off a drop shot. So here's the post catch. Enjoy the post catch, and then we'll right after the post catch we'll roll to the clip where I just hooked up that bass right there. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend, y'all. Go Bolts. Hell yeah. Recording? Yeah. Woo! Using the BassInTheHood 4-inch pearl white drop shot right here with the 3/16 ounce drop shot weight. Landing this big one right here. Solid. Look at this guy. He's probably thirsty. Let's get him go. Oh. He's good to go. Look at him. See you later, dude. Woohoo! Okay, let's get you a drop shot. Hope you guys enjoyed that catch. Ironically enough, I'm at Puddingstone. As when I caught that 3.5 pounder, I'm wearing the same hat, and there's the man himself, BassInTheHood, Mr. BassInTheHood right there. Say what's up, Kirk.
What's up?
So check out the baits, guys. The past month or so, all of my oh my god! No way! Kirk just lost a giant right now. Kirk, that was like a 3 pounder.
What's up?
So check out the baits, guys. The past month or so, all of my.
You want to check out the fish?
Oh my god! That was like a 3-4 pounder right there. No way. I wonder if the audio picked that up. But that was like a solid 3.5, 4 pounder maybe. That was a nice fish. Oh man. So again, right there, BassInTheHood baits, guys. Check it out.
That was on my 3.5 fish too. That one I poured myself.
The 3.5 inch custom finesse worm. I think the last 10 catches I've had, they've all came off that BassInTheHood finesse worm. Either a 3.5 inch to a 4-inch drop shot. So he's throwing it on a little darter head off the bottom, but same thing. Check out the baits, www.BassInTheHood.com, and here we go. Here, enjoy that.
On the website yet.
Yeah.
I'm holding new baits every week, so.
New baits every week. New baits every week. All right, guys. Enjoy the catch. Have a great weekend. Oh, dude. I had a bite. Oh. I think I had a bite. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're on him. Babe. Let's say that 10 cast.
Huh?
Like 10 casts.
Huh?
Fish on. Yeah. Kirk! Finally. Oh shit, what's up, dude?
Okay, you just caught one, huh?
Yeah.
You're catching a lot of them?
No, this is the first one in a while now.
Nice.
Throwing that lipless crankbait right there, the Jackall Lipless Crank, the little 3/16 ounce. Felt like I hit it the first time, came back. Nice, solid little, he's a small guy, about a pounder. Nice. Yeah! Let's let this guy go. I'm happy I caught one on film. Happy I caught one at all. That's a little boy. Wrong way, buddy. There he goes. See you later, dude.